Hey, what's up guys? Today just got my Sandycats order in and let's open it up and take a look, shall we? Alright. So first off, we got loaded up with all these crazy stickers, which is pretty cool. Super shiny. Got so many stickers. Right, then we got a rope bag here. Cool logo. Kind of like a canvas material. Alright, this is a Hitch Hero soft shackle. Dude, this thing is beefy. And this braid feels super hard. It's got the logo with the size and max braking limit there. So this one is a 3/8 and it's rated to up to 35,000 pounds. I think right now they're only making the 7/16, which is even stronger. I think that one's at 52,000 pounds. So that's super beefy. Right. Cool, and here's our kinetic recovery rope. This nice plastic bag. Right. It's got, what is this? A little bit of an instructions card. It's got a keeper, little Velcro keeper strap, which is nice. Dude, this thing is like super hard and it's stiff, but like you can tell this is super quality from like just the feel of the rope. It's got a nice coating on it. And I'm squeezing that eye, like this thing is beefy. So this is the 7/8, 30 foot. It's got a max braking strength of 28,600 pounds. So here in the center, got a breakage keeper right here in the center, a little bit like a sheath, and you can take this on and off. It's velcroed all the way down. But what I really like about this rope, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but all these strands right here, it's got a reflection weaved into it. So when you're at night, you can really see this thing shining, which is great. What else we got? So we got two soft shackles as well. So these are also tells you the size and the max braking strength, which these are 7/16 and 41,000 pound braking strength. And these are like, you can feel it's a softer feel than this rope, and the weave is a little bigger, but this is super beefy. So hooking this up, super confident. You just take it apart with the weave, and you just stick it back on. But yeah, so this is all really good. So we got our bag. Can coil the rope back up, and then we just put it in there, toss this in the truck, and we're ready to go. So definitely check out Sandycats if you're looking for a kinetic recovery rope.